Okay, so today we will continue our class. Just a moment. Today we have to do interest on drawing question only, right? Last class we were doing that only, na? Okay, you can take page number 19, both of you, and start writing as usual. In every class you have to write everything whatever I am teaching. Sometime I will say some important concept, important things. You can write it down in your own words. It will help you out while doing the sums. And after the class, as usual, you have to send me. And Pavitra, you can maintain a separate notebook for this tuition, okay? So that all the notes, everything you can keep in one notebook, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So page number 19, 19. Now we are going to do the same question through product method. As I told you, if the drawings are made by the partners on different date, different amounts, two methods we will be using. Yesterday we saw how to do using simple method. Today I will teach you how to solve during product method. Whichever you feel easy during the exam, you can use the method. By using both the method, the answer will come same. Now product method, how to use this? May 1st, 12,000 rupees, that is the amount of drawing made by the partner. Now time period 11 months. How 11 months time period? From May to March. If you count from 1st May to 31st March, you will get 11 months. And now you have to calculate the product. Product of what you will calculate? Product of May month's drawing multiplied by time period. That is 12,000 multiplied by 11. 12,000 into 11, 1,32,000 you will get. In the same way, July 31st. I already told you whenever it's last end of the month, that month we don't take, from next month we count. So July 31st means from 1st August we will be counting till 31st March. You will get 8 months. So 6,000 multiplied by 8, you will get 48,000. Are you understanding or having any doubt? Yes, Pavitra, Swarnika, product method you are getting?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. In the same way, September 30th, the same. September 30th means again from after September you have to calculate. So till 31st March, 6 months. 9,000 into 6, 54,000. Then November, leave November. Why we are leaving November? It's 30th November, end of the month. So from December to 31st March, 4 months, 12,000 into 4, 48,000. Then January 1st, January to 31st March. How much? January, February, March, 3 months. 8,000 into 3, 24,000. And March 31st, last withdrawal made by the partner. What is the date? March 31st. No interest will be charged. So, nil. So now when you add all these, which you have to add, 1,32,000, 48,000, 54,000, 48,000, 24,000, you have to add. When you add, you will get the product 3,06,000 when you make sum total of these amounts. Now you are going to use a formula. When you are using this product method, there is a formula for calculating drawings. Now what is that formula? Total product multiplied by R by 100. What is R by 100? Rate of interest. R means rate of interest. Maybe 6%, 9%, 8% may be given in your question. Multiplied by 1 by 12. Now, this 1 by 12 is not the time period. Never get confused. It is a part of formula. Whenever you are calculating interest on drawing, through this product method, this 1 by 12 you have to write every time. This is not the time period. Students get confused. Out of 12, 1 month. No. This is part of the formula. Every time you have to write this. So total product we already calculated 3,06,000. In place of total product you will write 3,06,000 multiplied by R by 100, rate by 100. Rate is 9%, so 9 by 100 given in our question, multiplied by 1 by 12. As I told you, it's a formula, 1 by 12, so you have to write every time 1 by 12. Make it clear, never get confused. You can write it down as important note. 1 by 12 is the part of the formula, we have to write every time. Now when you solve this, you will get rupees 2,295. The same answer you will get. Whichever method you people feel easy, you can apply that method. Both methods are correct. You will get the same answer. So whenever you are practicing at home, you can practice by both the methods. Then only you will come to know which method you feel easy. During exam, you can use that method, simple or product. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Now next question, this is homework for you. You have to do it and you have to send me. Tomorrow is Sunday, so this question you will be solving by both the methods, and I want to see tomorrow before 7 o'clock. Tomorrow you have to send me. What is the question? 1st June 20,000, that is the amount of drawing. 1st June, 31st August 10,000, 31st October 18,000, 1st Feb 12,000. Interest on drawing 10%, PA means per annum. Using simple method and product method, I have already given you the answer, 3,200. By both the method you will get the same answer. So try at once in your home, try it yourself by both the methods and send me. I want to see. So now we can, now we can move to page number 21. Now what is this question? This is when drawings are evenly given. So suppose when you read the question, when they are asking you to calculate interest on drawing, and you find that every month equal amount is withdrawn by the partner. In that case, you can use this method. You have to use this method. So suppose the question is, Chintu withdraws rupees 10,000 in the beginning of every month. Question will be like that. Suppose ABC are partners, name of the partner will be given, and they will say that this particular partner withdraws 10,000, 5,000, whatever amount in the beginning of every month, like that. So what you understand by this? Chintu withdraws 10,000 in the beginning of every month means the partner is withdrawing the amount 10,000 for personal use in the beginning of every month. In 1 year, 12 months, financial year starts from 1st April to 31st March. So how the drawings will be done? 1st April, 1st May, 1st June, 1st July, 1st August, 1st September, 1st October, 1st November, 1st December, 1st of January, 1st of February, 1st of March, as per our question. Beginning of every month means this only, from 1st April to 1st March. Every month he is withdrawing, and the amount is also fixed, 10,000. This is even drawings. In this you have to apply the formula. Now what is the formula? And we are going to use product method. Okay. See, April 1st, 10,000 rupees. Now you have to calculate the time period. Okay. So from 1st April till 31st March, if you count, you will get 12 months. You can use your finger and you can start counting from April to 31st March. Exactly 12 months it will come. So April 1st, 10,000 time period. In place of time period, you can write 12 months. Just you have to calculate the product. You know how to use the product method. By calculating the product, 10,000 into 12, you will get 1,20,000. In the same way, May 1st, the amount is same, 10,000. You have to write 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Don't write like this. Teacher will cut your marks. Don't put this commas or this. You have to write full. So write now itself full form. Don't use any short form. So May 1st, just you can reduce 1 month. So 11 month. 10,000 into 11, 1,10,000. We are calculating the product. How to calculate? time period multiplied by amount of drawings every month partner has done. June 1st, so 10 months, 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. July 1st, 9 months. From July to 31st March, you can just count and check whether 9 months are coming or not. So 10,000 into 9, 90,000. Then August, from August to March, how much? 8 months, 10,000 into 8, 80,000. Then September to March, 7 months, 70,000. October to March, 6 months, 60,000. Then November to March, 5 months, 50,000, 10 into 5. December to March, 4 months, 4 into 10,000, 40,000. January, February, March, 3 months multiplied by 10,000, 30,000. February to March, February 1st to March, 2 months. 20,000, March, only 1 month, 10,000. Till here, anyone is having any doubt? Pavitra, Swarnika, anything you are not able to understand till here?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So now what you will do after writing all these? Very easy, just you have to do the addition. You have to add. When you add the product, you will get 7,80,000. You have to add, you will get this 7,80,000. Now you know the formula. What is the formula? Total product multiplied by rate by 100 multiplied by 1 by 12. Just now you wrote what is the product method formula? Total product. So now what is the total product here? 7,80,000. You have to write the formula, dear. I didn't write, but you have to write. Already I made you write one time. Every time you have to write the formula. So don't skip anything. So write formula like product method formula equal to total product multiplied by rate by 100 multiplied by 1 by 12. Then you have to put the amount 7,80,000 multiplied by rate by 100, that is 10 by 100 multiplied by 1 by 12. Part of the formula, this 1 by 12. You will get 6,500. This is your answer. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubt, ask me. No hesitation, please. Now next. Next means you can prepare like this chart. You have to remember this. Monthly drawings 3 methods. What is this monthly drawing 3 methods? A partner can withdraw from business for personal use in 3 ways. For example, in the beginning of every month, question will tell you everything. So no worries. When you start practicing the questions from your book, the back exercises, you will find different variety of question. Then only you will come to know. So they will state everything clearly that the partner is withdrawing in the beginning of every month. Then the same, first you will be calculating the product. Okay. After calculating the product, what you can do? You have to write rate of interest. Then you will be writing this 1 by 12. So in beginning, okay, what is the time period? See, I will tell you. In the beginning, the time period is 6.5 by 12. In the beginning, the time period is, I will tell how to use. First, write it down. In the beginning of every month, suppose the partner is withdrawing, even drawings is done. Then in the beginning, the formula is 6.5 by 12. Mid, the question will say in the mid of every month, the partner is withdrawing 10,000. Mid means April 15th, May 15th, June 15th, July 15th. That is only mid of every month, meaning of this. So this time period will be 6 by 12. Suppose the question says end of every month, the partner is withdrawing some fixed amount. End of every month means April 30th, May 31st, June 30th, July 31st, August 31st, like this it will go on. So 5.5 by 12. You have to remember this formulas. 6.5 by 12 beginning, mid 6 by 12, end 5.5 by 12. Now why? See, instead of calculating this lengthy calculation, one more method is there. If you remember these beginning, mid, end, 6.5 by 12, 6 by 12, 5.5 by 12, easily you can solve. In case of even drawings means date is fixed, month is fixed, amount is fixed. That is only even drawing. Suppose you can take page number 22. Suppose 10,000 in the beginning of every month. The same question we are taking. Suppose the question says A is a partner. He withdraws 10,000 every month in the beginning of every month. So we know date is fixed, amount is fixed. That is why it is even drawing. So how to calculate interest on drawing? First, total drawings. Easily you can calculate total drawings. 12 months he is withdrawing 10,000 every month. So total product will be what? Total drawing, not total product, like total drawings. 10,000 multiplied by 12, we can say every month he is withdrawing 10,000. So 12 months, how much total drawing he has withdrawn? 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. Now multiplied by rate of interest given in question 10%, 10 by 100. Now time period by 12. Here the formula changes. Okay, this is not product method, this is the second method. Okay, in case of even drawing, this is one of the method which is the easiest method to calculate. So time period by 12 means, what is this time period by 12? This time period is this 6.5, 6, 5.5. I told you na, suppose the question says in the beginning of every month the partner withdraws, you can write 6.5 by 12. Suppose the question says mid of every month partner withdraws, 6 by 12. Suppose the question says end of every month the partner withdraws, 5.5 by 12. Just you have to read the question, understand and put accordingly. So in our question it is beginning of every month. That is why I wrote 6.5 by 12. Solve it, you will get 6,500. By that lengthy method also you are getting 6,500. But it is time taking. In accounts we don't have that much time to do this lengthy method. So this method is always preferable. Okay. So at home also practice by this method only. But for this you have to remember this 6.5 by 12, 6 by 12, 5.5 by 12. This time period you should be thorough. Any doubt? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about Pavitra?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Now monthly drawings. So always remember, whenever monthly drawings, whether it is in the beginning of every month or mid of every month or end of every month, and accordingly put this and solve the question for the time period. Suppose they are talking about quarterly drawings. In your question it is given that in the beginning of every quarter, in the mid of every quarter, or at the end of every quarter. Now what is the meaning of this quarter? In 1 year there are 12 months. From 1st April till 31st March, 12 months in one financial year we are having. If they are talking about quarters means after 3 months the quarter comes, like April, May, June. Okay, after June, that is June 30th, first quarter will come. Then second quarter starts from 1st July. So July, August, September. Second quarter, September 30th. In this way it goes. So in 1 year there will be how many quarters? 4 quarters. In one complete year there will be 4 quarters. Now you have to read the question. If the question says in the beginning of every quarter, the same you will be doing. Suppose 10,000 amount of drawings. They are saying in the beginning of quarter, means in 1 year there will be 4 quarters. So total amount of drawing will be 10,000 multiplied by 4, 40,000. Then multiplied by rate of interest, suppose 10% rate of interest on drawing, 10 by 100 multiplied by time period. Beginning for quarterly drawings is 7.5 by 12. You have to write 7.5 by 12. You have to solve it. Suppose the question says mid of every quarter, then the same 10,000 multiplied by 4, because in one financial year 4 quarters comes. So total amount of drawing will remain the same, 40,000. Rate of interest will also remain the same. Time period will change. Time period 6 by 12 in mid of the quarter. Okay. And suppose end of the quarter, then also time period changes, 4.5 by 12. Any doubt? Are you understanding? Pavitra, Swarnika, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you have written all these. Write these things in your notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now page number 23. So page number 23, first we are writing the formula, that quarterly formula only just now you wrote na. In the beginning of each quarter 7.5 by 12. In the mid of a quarter 6 by 12. In end of quarter 4.5 by 12. Interest on drawing, what is the formula? Total drawing. Total drawing means total amount withdrawn by the partners during the financial year. That is the meaning of total drawing. Multiplied by R by 100 means rate by 100. Multiplied by time period divided by 12. Now you know 7.5 by 12, 6 by 12 or 4.5 by 12. Depends on the question. Now, so these formulas you should know. So what we learned, if you take page number 24, interest on drawing summary, suppose uneven drawings, then there are two methods to calculate, simple drawing, product method. Okay, suppose even drawings may be monthly or quarterly. So total drawing multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time period divided by 12. These formulas you should be thorough in case of even drawings. Then you can apply the formula and solve the question easily. Now come to page number 25. Important questions. Whatever questions I am giving, these type of question you will get in your boards. Like chances are these type of questions already has been asked in board exam. So these are the important questions which I have taken. So page number 25 both of you can take. So for any doubt, anyone is having anything not understood?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Now A and B entered into a partnership. There are two partners, A and B. Both have entered into a partnership. Now they are sharing profit and losses in the ratio 2:1. Their capitals were rupees 90,000 and rupees 60,000. Capital of A 90,000, capital of B 60,000 given in our question. The profits during the year were rupees 45,000. So that is, we are talking about the net profit. It is 45,000. According to partnership deed, both partners are allowed salary rupees 700 per month to A. Allowed salary rupees 700 per month to A and rupees 500 per month to B. Now what the question says, there are two partners A and B. Now they are sharing profit or losses in the ratio 2:1. Capitals are given. A has 90,000 capital, B has 60,000 capital. Net profit is also given 45,000 and partnership deed is there. It is very, very important here to read the question very, very carefully. Suppose there is no partnership deed, then no salary, no bonus, no commission, no interest on capital will be given to the partners. They will get nothing. Only interest on loan. Suppose any partner has given any loan to the business, business will pay 6% interest on that loan to that partner. That's all. Nothing will be given. So if there is partnership deed, then only the partner will get salary, bonus, commission as per the deed. Very, very important concept. In absence of partnership deed, partners will get nothing except interest on loan 6%. Okay. Now they are saying that there is partnership deed. So we understood there is partnership deed. So now we can give the salary or whatever as per the deed to the partners. Now A will get salary per month 700 and B will get 500 per month salary. It is written in the partnership deed, so we have to pay. We means business needs to pay. Now what is happening? Interest is allowed on capital 5% per annum. So interest on capital is also given to the partners. How much? 5% per annum. The drawings during the year were rupees 8,500 for A and B 6,500. drawings during the year. Okay, during the year drawings are given. The amount of drawings given in our question, A has withdrawn 8,500, B has withdrawn 6,500. Interest is to be charged at the rate of 5% per annum on drawing. So business will charge interest on drawing 5% per annum. Extremely important concept comes here. Kindly write it down as important note related to drawings. What is that? Whenever you read the question and the question says amount of drawing given during the year but date is not given. Here no date is given, like which month the partner is withdrawing, that is only date. Month is not given. They are saying during the year amount of drawings given. So whenever question does not give you the date of drawing, they say during the year amount of drawings are given. Always time period for calculating interest on drawing will be 6/12. Kindly write it down. Extremely important concept. Whenever what I said, date of drawing is not given in your question, like this question, no date is mentioned. During the year drawings are given. Date is not given in our question. When the partners withdrew money. During like in this type of question, always time period you have to take 6/12. I hope you are writing this.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yeah. Okay. Now the question says prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So already I wrote, I think during the year means mid of the year, that is 6 months. So 6/12 time period you have to take. Now prepare the format for PL appropriation account. Debit, credit, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. This is the format for PL appropriation account. So one more very important concept, dear. You can write it down as important note. Whenever I am saying something important, write it down. See, suppose sometime you will find when you do this PL appropriation account, in some questions they will say interest on loan 6%. Suppose any partner has given any loan to the business. Okay, now the business needs to pay interest to that partner, and the rate of interest, amount of loan and the date of loan, everything will be given in your question. You will find that type of question. And the net profit is also given. They are asking you to prepare PL appropriation account. Now you have to understand one thing. Yesterday I taught you very clearly. Interest on loan is the charge against profit. I taught you. Because whether business earns profit or loss, interest on loan needs to be paid by the business. Now, when I am saying this and in your question they are asking you to calculate interest on loan, means you have to understand that net profit which is given in our question has not reduced that interest on loan, and it is charged against profit, means you should show that interest on loan in the debit side of PL account. It will not come in the PL appropriation account. And in the PL appropriation account credit side, whatever profit we are writing, that is the net profit, means net profit how we get? After subtracting all the expenses which we say charge against profit, all those expenses which are charge against profit, first we will subtract all those expenses, then whatever profit we get, that is only net profit. So in such question no need to prepare any PL account. What you can do, you can prepare like this PL appropriation account. In the credit side, by PL account net profit whatever given inside, suppose 10,000, you can write 10,000. Inside you can show a small note like minus working note. You can calculate the interest on loan, the amount of loan, then rate of interest, time period, everything will be given. You have to do the calculation, simple calculation. Then you can easily get interest on loan, whatever amount you got. That amount what you will do, you will subtract from this profit. Then you will show this net profit outside the PL appropriation account. Are you understanding, getting my point? Pavitra, Swarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Extremely important concept, dear. When you do the sums, definitely you will find. So in that type of questions, you have to do this. In working notes, you can do the calculation of interest on loan. Whatever amount comes in bracket inside PL appropriation account credit side, you have to show the subtraction part, deduct it from the net profit. Then outer column you can show the net profit. Okay. Now we will see our question. So now always whenever you are preparing this PL appropriation account, first you will write by PL account whatever net profit you got from PL account. In our question already they have given 45,000. Suppose net loss is given in your question, you have to write in the debit side. Okay, in PL appropriation account debit side you will write to net loss and whatever amount is given. In case of profit, credit side; in case of loss, debit side. One more important concept. Suppose there is a loss in the business and the question asks you to provide salary, bonus, commission, whatever to the partners. You cannot give. There is a rule. Appropriation means what? If there is profit, then only the partners will get salary, interest on capital, commission, anything out of the profit. If there is loss, partners will not get any salary, interest on capital, anything. They are not going to get anything. So you can't provide anything. What you will do? Just simply you will write to net loss on the debit side. You will distribute already what loss has happened in the business by divisible loss among the partners, maybe 2 partner, 3 partner given in the question. Then what about this salary, interest? A small note you have to write. After preparing the PL appropriation account, below that outside PL appropriation account, you can write note, and what you will write there? Since there is loss in the business, so no salary, interest on capital or anything will be provided to the partners as per Partnership Act 1932. You have to write it clearly. As per this act, nothing will be provided to partner if there is loss in the business. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, kindly write it down, dear, because for the time being you will think you know everything. When you start doing the question, you will forget. So you write it down whatever I am saying. Yeah. So now by profit and loss account, we wrote the profit given in the question. So 45,000 profit is there in the business. Out of that, what the question tells you, there are 2 partners A and B. They need to get interest on capital. And who is saying? Partnership deed is saying. So now you have to pay. And that is expense for the business. So expenses we write in the debit side. In the debit side, you will write to interest on capital. How many partners? 2 partners are there, A and B. So you have to do the calculations. Capital is also given. Again, I told you that small concept you should keep in mind while doing the sums. Suppose in this question, if they have given closing capital, then you have to first calculate the opening capital, then you have to calculate interest on capital. Never calculate interest on capital on closing balance. Question will go wrong. These are the small thing in this chapter you have to remember and be very alert while doing the sums. In this question, no problem. Opening capital is given, but I am saying sometime they may give you the closing capital. First, calculate the opening using the formula I already taught you. After that, you can calculate interest on capital on opening balance of the capital. Remember these small things. You can write it down. So here, no issue. Opening balance is given. So A's capital how much? 90,000. Rate of interest is given. Interest on capital how much? 5%. Directly you can calculate. 4,500. One more thing I would like to tell you. You can write it down. Sometime what happens when you read the question, they will say A and B are the 2 partners. They started business on 1st July. Their capitals are this and this. If you don't read the question, what you will do? You will directly calculate interest on capital for 1 year. Again, interest on capital will go wrong because they started business on 1st July means you have to understand from 1st July till 31st March, interest on capital will be calculated. These are the small things where students do the mistake, and I don't want my students to do these mistakes. So kindly write it down. Focus on the question, what the question is saying. If they are saying, sometime they will say on 1st August the business started their capitals. If you don't read it properly, you are hurry in order to solve the question will go wrong because interest on capital you will calculate for 1 year. When they are starting their business 1st August and their capitals are given from 1st August, how you will give them this interest on capital for whole year? Because 5%, 10%, whatever, it is per annum. Per annum means per year. So time period you have to take into account. Understood? Swarnika, Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it down, dear. You just, as important note, you write everything, whatever I am saying. Okay, fine. This is the simple question, but I am telling you, the worst case like that they will give you. There will be a twist in each question. So, okay, fine. So, 4,500 you calculated for A's interest on capital, then B 60,000 multiplied by 5%, 3,000. Now, write it in the debit side of PL appropriation account to interest on capital. A will get 4,500, B will get 3,000. When you add together, expense of the business will be 7,500. Outer column you can write. Then again the question says salary A and B will get, and you have to calculate the salary also. You have to multiply by 12. A's salary per month given in our question is 700 per month. Again it is per annum, per quarter, per half year. All these are the small things which you have to be very alert. Sometime per annum they will give 10,000 A salary PA. If you don't read that PA, you will think per month. You will multiply by 12, question will go wrong. So you have to focus on question. That's what I am telling. Here it's per month. Sometimes they may say per quarter, per half year. So accordingly you have to do the calculations and show it in PL appropriation account. Here it's per month, so you have to multiply by 12. Again you have to focus. If the question says 1st July they have started business, their salary 700 is per month, then what you will do? From 1st July till 31st March you have to calculate the month. For that month only you will calculate the salary. You can't multiply directly by 12. Are you understanding? Kritika, Swarnika? Sorry, Swarnika and Pavitra. Are you understanding, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So now B salary per month given in our question is 500. So 500 multiplied by 12, 6,000 rupees. Now this salary is also expense from business point of view. So PL appropriation account, debit side you will write to salary. A and B, two partners are getting. A is getting 8,400, B is getting 500. All these are working notes. So you can write as working notes. Properly you can present in your own way. Beautifully you can present it. Like working notes you can first write, then calculations of salary, calculation of interest on drawing. In this way you can number and you can write everything clearly. Now after that what we have to do? Interest on drawing is also given. And one important concept I said, I hope you all are writing. Whenever the date of drawing is not given in your question, always you have to take the time period 6 by 12. Here we are going to do. Amount of drawings given, date of drawing not given. How to calculate interest on drawing? A's interest on drawing, amount of drawing given 8,500. Multiplied by rate of interest is given 5%. Date is not mentioned. So time period 6 by 12. 213 I have taken in round off. You can also take in round off. Then in the same way you have to calculate B's interest on drawing. 6,500 amount of drawing given. Date is not given. Multiplied by 5%. Rate of interest multiplied by 6 by 12. 162. And interest on drawing, what is that? It is income for the business. Partners are paying interest on drawing to to the business. So for business it is income, for partner it is expense. Always try to understand, because it will go like this only. Why? Always in reverse way this will go. Whatever income for the business will be the expenses for the partner. You can check. Whenever you find that any expense for the partner, it is income for the business. All goes in reverse order only. So now interest on drawing is always income for the business. Partner is paying this to business. So in the credit side of PL appropriation account, you have to write by interest on drawing. A will pay 213 to the business, B will pay 162 to the business. You have to add together, you will get 375. Till here it's clear, dear. Anyone is having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You are writing simultaneously or you want some time to write, dear? Am I going too fast?
No, ma'am. We are right. I'm writing.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Now sometime what will happen in your question now, you will see that A's amount of drawing is given, date is not mentioned. B's amount of drawing is given along with the date. Then while calculating interest on drawing, for A you will take the time period 6/12, because only amount of drawing is given, date is not given. This much alert is essential in accounts. In the second case, that is B, I told you for B amount of drawing and date of drawing will be given. So for B you have to consider the time period. As I told you now, that 6.5 or whatever in the beginning of every month they may say, or mid or quarterly, you know the formula that you have to apply and calculate. In this way the question comes. So be thorough. What anything they may ask, if your concept is clear, any question you can solve. Any question, but the thing is your concept should be very, very clear. Now shall we move to next? What is next? We paid interest on capital to partners. We means business paid salary, and business charged interest on drawing from partners. After that we have to do the totaling part, casting part. So debit side total, credit side total. If you do, you will find credit side is more than debit side. So 45,375, both the sides you have to write. Put double underline. These are the basic things I hope you will be knowing. Now in the debit side of PL appropriation account, you have to distribute this profit. Means what you will do? Credit side the total is 45,375. Out of this profit, just subtract the expenses. That is 7,500, 14,400 salary interest paid to partners. You have to subtract. When you subtract, what will be the divisible profit available? 23,475. This amount is available with business now to distribute among the partners in the given ratio. A and B. A will get 15,650, B will get 7,825. How they are getting? What is the ratio? Ratio is 2:1 given in our question. So 2/3, 1/3. If you distribute this profit, you will get distribution of profit also I have shown. So you can see. Now suppose in our partnership question, the ratio is not given. Means what is the ratio, in which ratio partners are distributing profit or loss is not given in the entire question. Then what you will do? Again important concept, write it down. Always you will calculate profit or loss whatever in equal ratio if ratio is not given. Suppose 3 partners, ratio is not given in your question. How to distribute profit or loss? 1:1:1. 4 partners, 1:1:1. 2 partners, 1:1. Equally. Always profit or loss should be distributed equally. In case in question ratio is not given in partnership. So write it down this also. This is also important rule or concept, whatever you can say. Till here any doubt, dear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, Pavitra? Okay, fine. Now we are moving to next question. Next means question number 2, page number 27. Suppose any page, anything is not clear which I have sent, please tell me so that I can resend. Okay. If you tell me, then only I will come to know. Sometime I don't see, so if the pages are not clear to you, if any like whatever I wrote is not clear to you, kindly let me know. Okay, so that I can resend you clearly.
Yes.
Yeah. Now question number 2. A, B and C are partners. Now here there are 3 partners, A, B, C, with fixed capital of rupees 1 lakh, rupees 2 lakh and rupees 3 lakh. Again very important. Whenever the question says fixed capital, you have to focus on question. Whatever salary, bonus, commission, anything you are paying to the partner will be paid in partner's current account. In this also students make mistake. If you don't read fixed capital, what you will do? Normally to A's capital, to B's, to C's, you will pay the salary or the profit, whatever business pays to the partner. Then teacher will cut your marks because there is a rule. Capital are of 2 types, fixed capital, fluctuating capital. If the capital are fixed, like in our question, 2 capital accounts are always prepared. Fixed capital account, partner's current account. In fixed capital account, only 4 things goes. First is by balance BD, then to balance CD. If any partner brings any additional capital, then by bank or cash. If any partner withdraws any capital from the business, to cash or bank. That's all in fixed capital account. And in partner's current account, other things goes. For example, any salary, any commission, any bonus, interest on capital, anything paid by the business to the partner, credit side you will be writing by salary, by commission, by bonus, whatever the partners get from the business. Okay, any drawings done by the business, drawings always what drawing does, it reduces capital of the partners. So in the debit side of partners capital account, you can write 2 drawing. Suppose any interest on drawing is paid by the partners to the business, that also reduces capital of the partners. In the debit side you will write 2 interest on drawing. But all these will go where? In the current account, when the capitals are fixed. So whenever you read the question capital are fixed, immediately it should come to your mind, okay, now whatever payment business is going to make to the partners, it will be in partners current account. This much clarity should be there. Okay. Now next. ABC capitals, fixed capitals are given. One more important concept where you are writing the notes, important note, write this point also. Sometime what happens, fixed capital balances are given, opening balance, I am talking about the opening balance. Fixed capital opening balance given, current account opening balance given. Listen carefully and write it down. In that case, they will say you to calculate interest on capital, whatever percentage given. Now the students get confused whether to calculate on fixed capital or current, because both the balances will be given. No need to get any confusion. That's why you just write it down clearly. Whenever both the balances are given, fixed capital balance, current account balance, always you have to calculate interest on capital on fixed capital balances. So write it down. No, we never calculate interest on capital on current account balance. Always it is a rule. We have to calculate interest on capital on fixed capital balances. Understood? Pavitra, Swarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it down, dear, whatever I am saying. Okay. Now, their partnership deed provides. So, in this question also it is written clearly partnership deed is there. So, now we will pay whatever the partnership deed is saying, we will pay to the partners. A is to be allowed a monthly salary of rupees 600. So A is a partner, he needs to be given monthly salary 600. So you have to multiply by 12 in order to get 1 year salary. B is to be allowed a monthly salary of rupees 400. Okay. B will also get a monthly salary 400. So 400 multiplied by 12. Fine. Next point. C will be allowed a commission of 5%. C is a partner. And one more important concept. Suppose sometime in your question they will say that manager's commission. Listen carefully. We are not talking about partner. Sometime in your question they will say manager will get commission of 5% on net profit or divisible profit, whatever they will give. In that case also manager's commission will never come in PL appropriation account. Okay, it will go in the PL account. It's a charge against profit. So what you will do in that case, whatever net profit is given, whatever manager commission is given, first you have to subtract. Then whatever profit comes, that you have to write in the outer column of PL appropriation account. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it down dear as
Yes, ma'am.
important point. Write it down everything. Now suppose they are talking about any partner's commission, that will come here only. That is, that expense you have to show in the debit side of PL appropriation account. Don't get confused. Salary to employee, it will go in the PL account. Salary to partner will come in the PL appropriation account. There will be a twist in some question. Try to understand and then do. So now in this question they are talking about partners commission only. So you have to show this commission as an expense in debit side of PL appropriation account only. C will be allowed a commission of 5% of the net profit after allowing salary of A and B. Try to understand the question. C is going to get commission. On what amount he will get commission? He will get on net profit. But they are saying after allowing salary of A and B means net profit is given in our question. Okay, net profit, if you read the question, they will give you the net profit. Directly on net profit, they are not asking to calculate C's commission. After allowing salary of A and B means when you prepare PL appropriation account, A will get some salary, B will get some salary. You have to subtract A's and B's salary together from the net profit. Then whatever profit comes, in that profit you have to calculate this 5% commission. The question says this only. Directly if you calculate 5% commission, question will go wrong. Try to understand what the question says. Now C point, interest on capital to be allowed 6% per annum. Okay, fine. On fixed capital balance you can easily calculate. Then what is the next point? Interest on annual drawings of partner is to be charged at extremely important again. C. These are the board's question only. Interest on drawing they are saying 4%. But what you have to focus, per annum word is not there. They didn't add per annum word here. Then there is a twist. If they do not add per annum word while calculating interest on drawing, what is the meaning of this? Time period should not be considered. What I said, time period should not be considered means whatever the total amount of drawing is given in our question, directly you should calculate by applying the rate. Suppose 10,000 A's drawing, 10,000 multiplied by 4%, that's it. No rate, like no time period will be considered. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kindly write it down dear. Whatever I am saying as important notes, separately write it down and revise as many times as you can and apply in solving the questions. So here per annum is not there. Whenever you find this type of question, if per annum word is not there along with interest on drawing, always remember, just ignore time period. Whatever amount of drawing is given, directly calculate the rate 4 by 100 or 5 by 100, whatever. No time period. Whatever interest on drawing you get, you can show in the credit side of PL appropriation account. This is the rule, whatever I am saying, so you have to follow. Page number 28. Now we are only in the question. The annual drawings were B rupees 10,000 and C rupees 15,000. So drawings they have given. So directly if you want how you will calculate interest on drawing, 10,000 multiplied by 4%, 15,000 multiplied by 4%. Normally what happens? Normally what we do, suppose date of drawing is not given in our question. Then what we will do? We will write the amount, we will write the rate of interest, then we will time period consider 6 months, 6 by 12. But here per annum word is not given along with interest on drawing. That is the reason we are not taking 6 by 12. You should understand why we are not taking. Each and everything in accounts has a concept, has a logic. Just like that we are not doing anything. Suppose here per annum word is there, then you have to do 10,000 multiplied by 4 by 100 multiplied by 6 by 12. Just one word PA is not there, that is the reason 6 by 12 we are not considering. Just rate we are considering and calculating. Is it clear, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you are writing all these, Swarnika, Pavitra, you are writing these points as separately important notes, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Write it down, dear. In your own words you can write, because you are a grown-up children. You are not LKG, so I have to dictate everything. I can explain to my best. In your own words you can write, because finally you are going to study. You have to understand what you wrote. Now, next, the net profit for the year ending 31st March, net profit is given 1,72,000. Prepare PL appropriation account. Okay, now they are asking to prepare PL appropriation account. We will do, write PL appropriation account, start doing the sum, debit, credit, particulars, rupees, particular rupees. By PL account already given 1,72,000 you can write. By interest on drawing, as I told, it is income for the business, you have to show in the credit side. We calculated 400, 600, 1,000. Come in the debit side, interest on capital, capital of A, B, C are given. Just multiply by rate of interest 6 by 100. A's capital 1 lakh multiplied by 6%, 6,000 interest on capital. B's capital 2 lakh, 6%, 12,000. C's capital 3 lakh, 6%, 18,000. So, to interest on capital expense for the business, so we are writing in the debit side. A, B, C, 6,000, 12,000, 18,000. Just add together and write in the outer column, 36,000. To salary, it is given in our question, 72. How we got 7,248 working notes? See, salary per month is given. Multiply by 12. A's salary per month 600. Multiply by 12, 7,200. B's per month salary 400. Multiply by 12, 4,800. Add together, to salary you will get 12,000. To C's commission, this is one important point. C's commission, as I told you, first how much the net profit? 1,72,000. But you have to subtract the salary of A and B. Question is telling. So A and B salary 12,000, subtract it. Then the net profit comes to 1,60,000. In that 5% you will give commission to C. 8,000 it will come. Now to C's commission 8,000. After that, very easy. Credit side 1,73,000. Subtract all the expenses paid by the business to their partners. 36,000 interest on capital, subtract. 12,000 salary, subtract. C's commission, subtract 8,000. Then the divisible profit you will get 1 lakh. How much? How much you will get? 1,17,000. Yeah, that you have to distribute among 3 partners. How we got 39, 39, 39? As I told you, there is a rule again. If in partnership question no profit loss sharing ratio is given, we have to assume they are equal partners. That rule also write it down clearly. In this question, no profit sharing ratio is given, and this is partnership question. That is the reason we are assuming equal partners, ABC, 1:1:1. That is the ratio, equal ratio. So, you have to distribute this profit in equal ratio, you will get 39,000, 39,000, 39,000. Any doubt in this particular question? Pavitra, Swarnika, anything you didn't understand?
No, ma'am. It's clear.
It's clear. Okay, that's all for today, dear. Okay, from Monday onwards, we will start that past adjustment. That are short question in boards. 100% you will get past adjustment questions and all. Okay.
Incoming voice call from Pati.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you. That's all for today, dear.
Incoming voice call from Pati.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, dear. Thank you.
Incoming voice call from Pati. Incoming voice call from Pati.